So far, we have been discussed about a lot of topics like start creating a document, like start creating a design, selecting a theme, okay, layouts, formatting a slides, adding a animations, inserting a comment, image, chart, table, okay, video insertion, and many things we have been learned. Okay, now it is time to learn about a managing a slides. For example, if you like to share these slides with anyone, first we have to rename these slides because unnamed presentation is there. We can go to file, rename, okay, rename as a demo, okay, renamed as a demo. Then go to file, share option. Similarly, how we are sharing in a docs and sheets, same application it is. Share with your teammates, okay, which teammate if you like to share, you can select that particular person email id and what kind of permission you are giving. He can view, only he can view the presentation, or he can comment on that, or he can edit also. Okay, you have to select which one need to be permitted for others whom with whom you are sharing. And you can write a message, what kind of, for why you are sharing this particular presentation with that particular person. Okay, this is about a sharing. And you can copy the link also, and you can share that link in any of the messaging platform. And next it comes to a open a new presentation, or from template also you can open the presentation. You can create a new presentation. And if already existing presentation is there, then you can select open and open that one, or import slides from other platform like Microsoft presentation. Okay, there PowerPoint, from the PowerPoint also you can take, or copy this entire presentation or only selected slides. Okay, you can copy for the future reference, or you can attach this particular presentation to a email. Okay, you can send this particular presentation as an attachment to through email to anyone. And you can download with a different format. You can download in a pdf format, or a powerpoint format, or jpg format, or image format. Okay, any format, text format also you can download this particular slide for your future use and make available offline. This is nothing but when you doesn't have a internet connectivity at that particular time also, you are able to open the this particular presentation. Okay, to get it done, we have to make available offline. We have to select that one. Version history, again, what are the things you have been done, when you have been edited, when you have been created. To know about that, we are using a version history. And rename, to give the name to the presentation. Move, to store it in your any of the one particular folder in your drive. Okay, that is for a move. And move to trash is nothing but deleting entire presentation. And publishing to web, that is nothing but directly it will be taken to your, publishing to the web will be taken to your website. Okay, then it comes to a language setting. You can select which language you have preferred. And later it comes to a print. Okay, control p for a printing entire presentation also. You can print, okay, you can print the presentation also if it is connected to printer. Okay, this is all about a Google Slides. uh, Same way how we are using a Microsoft PowerPoint, the similar application will be from the Google Slides possible. And main thing here, it is all things, everything is in online. Okay, anytime, anywhere, you can access your presentation. And internet connectivity is a must. If you are created, if you are selected offline, make available offline, then only you can able to access this particular presentation without internet connectivity. But changes, modification will not be saved. Okay, if you are offline, a modification will not be saved in your Google Drive. Okay, this is about a Google Slides.